Welcome, Science 6th Standard, 14 Chapter Water. 14.5 What if it rains heavily? 14.5 What if it rains heavily? The time, duration, and the amount of the rainfall varies from place to place. In some parts of the world, it rains throughout the year, while there are places where it rains only for a few days. The scene after heavy rains, like this it is. Everywhere water will be there. If it rains heavily, at that time, we face flood. In our country, most of the rainfall occurs during monsoon season. Rains bring relief, especially after hot summer days. The sowing of many crops depends on the arrival of the monsoon. However, excess of the rainfall may lead to many problems. Heavy, heavy rain may lead to rise in a level of the water in rivers, lakes, and ponds, like this. Excess of the water will be collected in the pond or the lake, then it will overflow and cover the area nearby, the land area, the residential area or industrial area. Water will overflow in those areas like this, and it causes damage to the living of the animals and the human beings in those areas. Rains may lead to rise in the level of the water in rivers, lakes, and ponds. Water may then spread over large areas, causing floods. The crop fields, forests, villages, and cities may get submerged by water. In our country, floods cause extensive damage to the crops, domestic animals, property, and human life. During floods, the animals living in water also get carried away with the water. They often get trapped on land areas and die when the flood water recedes. Rains also affect the animals living in soil. Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and save the playlist. Thank you very much. Bye bye.